10 years ago, the tsunami hit Banda Aceh here where I am. It killed 170,000 people in this area. It swept this ship 5 kilometers to this resting place here. It was a disaster, and the area had already been at war for many years. But peace came, and in the wake of the tsunami, there was both an opportunity and an obligation to, as they say, build back better. And we can see it now all around us. With UNICEF's help, a number of schools have been rebuilt that are stronger. And I saw children practicing for the next earthquake because they are fairly frequent still in this area, and they were practicing perfectly. Saw a restored water system, which is better and bigger than it was before. Went to the island of Sabang, which has completely eradicated malaria, although occasional cases do come in from this area across to the island. All of this was done with UNICEF's help. And I was so proud to see the contribution that our people have made, first with hundreds of UNICEF workers during the surge after the tsunami, and the people who have supported us in doing this should also take some pride in everything that I have seen in making this area not only build back better, but provide a model for the rest of Indonesia and in many ways for the world.